Hi guys, welcome back.
What's my story? It's not about being famous on the internet.
We're live in Santa Barbara.
It's about everything I do.
Hey guys.
My everyday routines take you through
My uniqueness.
My obsessions.
My successes and my struggles.
who I am can inspire others.
My friends all around the world.
Smells so good.
When sharing my experiences, I'm always inspired,
With lifelike colors and sharpness.
whether it's day or night.
Always from my own unique angle.
I can show more.
I can get up close,
I can capture my best friend dramatically and larger than life.
telling my story my way just comes naturally.
It's just me and my followers, always with me, every step of the way, over to the other side.
As I grow, I can express myself in new ways, with amazing details and textures.
With real emotions.
In a unique look that makes me more creative.
Whether it's a small crew of followers or millions of friends worldwide, their reactions and support feed my creativity.
There are so many who inspire me, and I just want to do the same for them.
So refreshing.
I'm just starting. Watch me grow. We are on top of the world.
Nikon Z30. Be inspired, inspire others.
The new LUMIX G7. The one introducing 4K to everyone. Latest 4K processing and mirrorless technology. In a compact and intuitive design. Providing touch focus technology with the latest high-speed autofocusing. Recording video in stunning 4K resolution. And now with the new 4K photo, you can extract, show and save the perfect frame out of a 4K video sequence easily on the camera. Never miss a perfect moment. The new LUMIX G7, the one introducing 4K to everyone.
Panasonic.
The suction cup mount allows for a more compact mounting solution when shooting videos or photos. It's easy to install and remove and is compatible with all GoPro cameras and housings. Proven to deliver stable shots at high speeds, the suction cup mount uses an industrial-strength suction cup that attaches GoPro cameras to cars, boats, motorcycles, and other fast-moving objects. The suction cup mount has been totally re-engineered for maximum rigidity and stable image capture. The included short extension arm allows for ultra-compact mounting for tight spaces like cockpits and wheel wells, while the long extension arm allows for more versatility and range of motion. The suction cup mount kit includes the suction cup mount with pivot arm, an ultra-compact low-profile arm for when space is limited, and a 90-degree bent arm for shooting vertically or horizontally. Installing the suction cup takes just seconds, but to ensure proper suction, only attach the mount to surfaces that are rigid, clean, dry, smooth, and non-textured. This mount is not for use with surfboards, snowboards, or other high-impact sports. Place the suction cup flat on the surface, depress the black button firmly, and pull back the lever to lock the suction in place. To remove, unlock the lever and pull up on the clear tab on the suction cup. The suction cup mount arms can be swapped out quickly by loosening and removing the thumb nut, sliding in the arm, and replacing the thumb nut. The thumb nuts can be inserted on either side, giving you options for how to set up the mount. The 90-degree bent arm can be used by itself or added to either the pivot arm or the ultra compact arm. To attach your GoPro camera to any of the arms, slide the camera housing into the suction cup mount arm and insert the camera mount thumb screw. Then fully tighten the thumb screw, being careful not to over-tighten. To learn more or get help with the suction cup mount, visit gopro.com/support.
Osmo Action 3 supports excellent creative features, such as slow motion and time-lapse, helping you easily capture unique scenes with just a few simple settings. Slow motion. In the middle of the camera view, swipe left or right to enter the shooting mode page, and then select slow motion mode. Or swipe up to set the frame rate and slow motion multiplier. Then, simply press the shutter record button to record slow motion videos. Time-lapse. Time-lapse mode includes hyperlapse and time-lapse. In the middle of the camera view, swipe left or right to enter the shooting mode page, and then select time-lapse. Or swipe up to select hyperlapse or time-lapse. After selecting hyperlapse, you can set the shooting speed. After selecting time-lapse, you can select the preset mode according to your shooting scenario. You can also customize the time-lapse parameters. Swipe up in Custom to set the shooting interval and duration. Tap the resolution icon in the upper right corner, and then set the shooting resolution. Then simply press the shutter record button to start recording. Thanks for watching.